Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be getting some white wood for my base, because if you guys watched my last Lumber Tycoon 2 video, we went to the furniture store and got windows for my base, and you know, it's still not done. I still need to add windows here and windows here, but I want to get some white wood because in my last video I said I wanted to add like 2 glass doors in the middle right here. And then I wanted to add like walls from this pole to this wall right here. So yeah, I have my trailer. And my truck out here. I have other trailers, but I decided just to get one trailer because in this video I just want to get like, you know, some white wood. I'm not really gonna put blue wood in this video. But this video, I'm just going to be getting some white woods and, yeah. So, I will meet you guys when I get up that mountain. Okay. So, I got up to here, and, you know, I think I'm going to get this tree right here, because it has a lot of branches. So, I'm going to get this tree, and just take it to my base. Cut. Alright, this is probably going to be boring to you guys, so I will, you know, see you guys when I'm done with this. Okay, so I got my wood now, and it's all in my the back of my truck. So we're just gonna take it. Okay, hi. Of course, my wood fell. That's all I needed. Oh my gosh, can you go around? Like, what are you thinking? Like, you think you can jump over my trailer? Like, can you, like, go around? Yeah. Like, go around. Can you go around? What is this guy trying to do? Go around? Yeah. I clearly left that spot for you right here. Over here. Like, over here, bro. You're not gonna move my truck. Like, people, what are you thinking? Seriously. The rest of my wood is down here. I'll just leave those 2 pieces because if I leave my truck down here, it's just gonna start rolling. Where did he come? This guy is seriously gonna annoy me. This guy's seriously gonna go annoy me right now. Alright, stop. Stop. Like, people, don't annoy me. Now there's a piece under my truck. Oh my god, now they're just all falling. He's probably gonna come and just hit it. Yep. Okay, seriously. Seriously, stop being annoying. He's going down. He's probably going to turn around, get all that speed he could. You know what? Come at me. I dare you to. Come at me. Come at me. Nope. Are you... Ha, ha, ha. That's what you get. That is what you get. Even better, he's stuck under there. Seriously, don't mess with me. And I don't mean that in the bad way. I mean, like, don't annoy me. Like, trying to flip over. He's the one that, oh, and look at that. He left the game. Ah, people. Never learn these days. They never learn. I honestly don't get why he could have just drove like a normal person. Go get whatever wood he wanted to go get, like lava wood or something. And, yeah. Guys, stay tuned until the end of the video, because if you guys stay tuned, there's a surprise. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get lava wood without going in the volcano so you won't die. Yeah, it's going to be really good. So stay tuned for the video. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to my base, and then I will show you guys how to get lava wood in Lumber Tycoon 2 without having to go in the volcano. So there's no way for you to die. A lot of you guys probably know how to, but for the people that don't know how to, I am gonna show you guys. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is put all this wood down from here. I'm just gonna put it all over here. Okay. And you know, you get to pick how much wood you want to get and all that kind of stuff. So you get to pick how much trailers you want to get. And I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to get lava wood. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at there. Okay, so for you guys to get the lava wood, what you want to do is go to the volcano, and just in case you're brand new to Lumber Tycoon 2 and you don't know where the volcano is, you go up here, and then you just go up, and there's going to be like a mountain that takes you all the way up. Just follow the road until it takes you all the way up. So yeah, this is the mountain. You're just going to follow the road until it takes you all the way up here. And of course, you can always get as many trailers as you want, because you're not gonna take, if you're not gonna go in the volcano, you're not gonna take, yeah, if you're not gonna go in the volcano, you're not gonna take your truck in also. So here's the volcano. You usually go in here. You usually just go in here and go up there, and then balls will fall at you and stuff. And that's how to get lava wood. But the way that I'm going to show you guys is you need to cut a tree down. Cut that down, and then cut a tiny piece just so you can stand on it. Like, your character will fit, like, I'll show you. So your character can fit, like, good and have, like, a little bit more space. So what you want to do is just try to get it to the wall and hold it up and walk also. Like, use your, if you use the WASD to move around, hold W while you're walking up the wall. If you use the arrow keys like this, then hold up arrow key and stuff while you're going like that. And yeah, so it may take a little bit of tries, but eventually you will get it. So what you have to do is just hold the arrow key. Maybe it's just too small. Hold up. Here, let me try this piece. No, I'll cut it from here. Okay, yeah. Maybe, I don't think. Or maybe it's just too fat. I don't know. But, let's see. This is going to be a real pain. Sometimes it's not a pain and you can just do it straight away. But you just have to hold, like go up and stuff, like so. Come on. Oh, I did it. Dang it. Hold up. So that's pretty much it. You just do it up and then until you get all the way up, and then when you get up, and just cut down your lava wood and just make it drop down from where you came, like drop it where you came from, and then it will just come down here, and then you come pick it up, and you know, once you pick it up, you put it in your truck and all that kind of stuff. But that's how to get lava wood without, I don't know why it's not working, but it worked last time I did it, so. Maybe they patched it. Oh wait, no, I did it. I'm doing it. See? Now I'm at the first layer. Oh, there you go. You can see the lava wood up there. You just have to do that. So, put it here. So sometimes, that's what I mean. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. You just have to get lucky, I guess. Yeah. Last time I was making my camera looking down while I was doing it, like when I did like that. So maybe that will help. But first, just make it go all the way like that. And oh yeah, so I think that's how you do it. Maybe. You have to like put your camera looking down all the way like that. And walk. You have to walk while you're doing it. Remember that. It will not work if you're just standing on it, and it will not work just doing that. Oh, when you look at that, it worked, but you fell straight away. Like if you were trying to do it when you were right here, that would not have worked. But now I lost my piece of wood. Unless it can come back. Can you come back? Okay. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, just gonna. Alright, almost there. Then just one last bit. Just gonna do that. Come on. Oh, would you look at that? I made it. So then you just walk up, and when you just cut it down, cut the lava wood down, throw it down from here. It goes down, and then it goes down, you cut it with your axe, put it in your truck, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get lava wood without going into the volcano, and then you won't have to die. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what games you guys want to see when I play. And if you guys want to see more of Lumber Tycoon 2, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay home, be safe, and be nice to everyone. Bye.